Christ teaches that in marriage, God unites the man.
Marriage is an important event in a person's life because it represents love, commitment, and the beginning of a new family. Good day, Penma, Susie, netizens. We are the Group 5 and today we will present our documentary titled Indigenous Wedding of Iglesia Ni Cristo. In Iglesia Ni Cristo, marriage is not only a personal decision but also a spiritual commitment guided by the teachings of the church. One important practice in the church is marrying someone who practices the same faith. This practice is known as endogamy.
Conclusion. Endogamous marriage in the Iglesia Ni Cristo reflects the church emphasis on unity, faith, and commitment. By encouraging members to marry within the same relation, families can grow together with shared beliefs and values. Thank you for watching.
The Iglesia Ni Cristo was founded in the Philippines in 1914. Since then, the church has emphasized unity among its members, especially in faith and family life, because these belief members are encouraged to marry within the church to maintain harmony in religious beliefs.
Endogamous marriage is encouraged to keep unity in faith within the family. When couples share the same religion, they can support each other in church activities and follow the same teaching in their daily lives.
In modern society, some members may develop relationship with people outside the church. This can create challenges because the church encourages members to marry within the faith.
Couples share the same faith. It can strengthen their relationship and help them raise children according to their religion beliefs. This also helps maintain unity within the church community.
Many members of Iglesia Ni Cristo still practice marriage. The church continues to guide couples in building families based on the shared faith and values.
Polygamous marriage is important because it helps preserve the beliefs, traditions, and unity of the church. It also helps couples build stronger families centered on their faith.
In conclusion, endogamous marriage in the Iglesia Ni Cristo reflects the church emphasis of unity, faith, and commitment. By encouraging members to marry within the same religion, families can grow together with shared beliefs and values.